You're probably wondering what's in this box. Well, if you look at this tripod, you can probably guess, because this is a wooden military tripod coming from the Eastern Europe, and these are the 10 by 80 Cold War period German binoculars. Beautiful things they are. They are in their completely original, with the original paint on them. As a matter of fact, I didn't manage to take them out of the box yet, so this is actually an unboxing if you want. This is the first time I'm taking these out. Beautiful things they are. They used to be used by the border guards. As a matter of fact, see behind me, there's another example of very similar binoculars, not identical, but very similar. And you notice that on the top, there is this piece here, which was used by the officer in charge to direct artillery fire. And if you look at these binoculars, there's a tiny rail where an eyepiece identical with that can be attached. So the way they used to work was that you'll have a line of soldiers, let's say in the East Berlin, looking over and waiting for targets. So let's say that Americans were attacking with tanks and everything like this. So each soldier will actually identify a target looking through the main eyepiece of the binoculars, and then the officer will pass from soldier to soldier looking through the periscope, because this periscope actually has some markings, and that will be able to kind of show him precisely where the target is, so he can direct artillery fire. So he goes from soldier to soldier, directing artillery fire, hitting a number of targets, and then after the target was hit, the soldier will identify another target, and it goes on. And these are actually even more interesting. I like them for the very simple reason that they've been absolutely undisturbed. They are in the original state as they would have been used by the Warsaw Pact country. There's also this, which was used for illumination. So this can be attached to the binoculars. There's a bulb here, there's a connector, so you can actually have a bit of a night vision on them, which is very useful because a lot of these attacks, like surprise attacks, will happen during the night. So this is it. They will be online very soon. So please follow the Sally Antiques website for more information and more details about these wonderful binoculars.